Hi guys, and welcome back to the basement. Quarantine cocktails here in the basement. So fun. Today we are going to be making the Sidecar. It's a fun cognac cocktail. Roots in, pardon my scoop, New Orleans. There are a few claims to the Sidecar rooted in France and London, but the parent cocktail to the Sidecar, the Brandy Crusta, is very much a New Orleans staple. And when you look at the cocktails side by side, there's two ingredients tweaked here and there, which became popular in different parts of the world. But yeah. Cheers to America for coming up with another cool one. A big part of the old New Orleans culture too was the French and the Spanish, and then eventually the U.S. And so it's fun when you use the cocktail calls for a French cognac, a Spanish curacao, and then you mix it all together with a sugar rim glass, which gives you just that American feel, right? Let's do this. So we're gonna start with 2 ounces of your favorite brandy, or just a brandy you want to mix, or a cognac you want to mix, right? We're using some sort of cognac today. It's a VS. It's not even a VSOP. It's just it's one that's nice for cocktails. So then you have an ounce of your curacao. In this case, we're using Cointreau. That's pretty standard for the Sidecar. I think most people use cognac, Cointreau, and lemon juice. So we'll do an ounce of lemon juice as well. And I know it's a brown liquor, and the rule is usually to stir brown liquors. Pardon me. But since there is citrus juice in there, or some sort of juice, we do want to shake that out because it's gonna blend it all together and be wonderful. So here we go. Let's shake our Sidecar. Sounds good. One of the signature characteristics of the Sidecar is the sugared rim, and that's where its grandfather drink, or parent drink, got its name. The Brandy Crusta was from the crusted sugar on the rim, so that it's kind of fun. Not many drinks use sugar or rim on anymore outside of a lemon drop. I always like a double strain, especially on something you hard shake, just because it gets those ice chunks. A lot of people will garnish with a lemon twist, but I think at this point, with that sugared rim, that's pretty much all you need. There's your Sidecar, my friends. Cheers.